Morning everyone, my name is Riya of class 10th. The topic of my project is home-based product. Theme number 2, health and cleanliness, state secondary. In our day-to-day life, we use many household products which are made up of chemical, and the use of chemical for long time affect our health and environment. Chemical in water bodies. In order to reduce this problem, I have made this project. I came up with an idea to reduce this problem by using natural things is easily available in our kitchen.
I have made natural hand sanitizer. As we know that sanitizer are available in market that contain alcohol, and this make our hands skin dry and rashes. The ingredients used to make this are camphor balls, neems, aloe vera, turmeric. By boiling all this, we get hand sanitizer that are effective.
This is floor cleaner. This is floor cleaner. The ingredients we use for this salt, camphor balls, alum, and also mixing this all ingredients, we get this homemade floor cleaner. It is very effective and kill germs.
The ingredients used for making kitchen cleaner are vinegar, baking soda, vim liquid. By mixing all these ingredients, we get kitchen cleaner, and this is very effective.
I have made this toilet cleaner balls. The ingredients is used for making this baking soda, vim liquid, citric acid. Also, all mixing these ingredients, we fix it in ice tray and keep it for 3-4 hours. After 3-4 hours, we remove it from and it is ready for clothes. It is ready for clean our washrooms. It is remove odor and kill germs.
Outside fertilizers are made up of chemicals that are harmful to us and our environment. We have made natural fertilizers at home. This is tea leaf. This is effective to flowering plants. This is eggshell. This adds nutrients to plants. This is wood ash. These are also good for environment and its growth.
This is called Rethavol. It is very wonderful product. It is used for making detergent and shampoos. We boil these Retha balls in water and remove half. We get this homemade detergent. It is used for shampoos, detergent, washing clothes. It is called Retha Potli. This is called Retha Potli, which is used the number of time in washing machine for washing clothes.
A bioenzyme, a multi-purpose cleaner that can be used to clean floor, furniture. Method to make bioenzyme are ingredients: citrus peel, jaggery or water. By mixing all this, we get bioenzyme. Keep it in for 30 days, and after 30 days, this is ready to use. Thank you.